Hello everyone. So guys, now with many of the people starting their preparation for CET, I understand because a lot of admissions are coming into the Crackvitis का नया batch also, and people are asking and regularly inquiring कि Crackvitis कैसे join करना है, क्या है course में क्या included है. I understand बहुत ज़्यादा ambiguity है and honestly YouTube is not the best place to understand that किधर क्या कैसे चल रहा है. People are confused because there is a lot of misinformation that is being spread around. Well, I'm making this video exactly to help you out with the same. Let's understand first of all CET exam और CAT exam में क्या फर्क है. Most of the people who are asking know that CAT exam कैसा होता है. They think that CET exam is the same as CAT exam, but वैसा नहीं. Guys, the CAT exam is extremely different in terms of the approach towards the exam. CET is a speed-based exam. CAT is an accuracy-based exam. CET में जो methods तुम use करोगे और CAT में जो method use करोगे solving की वो बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क है. दोनों में questions का बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क है. Portion in CET is a little bigger than it is in CAT in some areas and कुछ areas में CAT से कम है. तो portion अलग है. In comparison, you can compare CAT to a ZAT exam and CET to NMAT, SNAP and CMAT exams. Now there are also other exams like MAT and ATMA. इन पे मैं आगे एक वीडियो बनाऊंगा which will help you out because a lot of students have a lot of confusion about that also. Because again everybody romanticizes MAT and ATMA as oh my god another way of getting into JB. वैसा नहीं. Now guys I want to tell you my story with CET. CET में I took 4 attempts to cross the CET exam. Why? For one reason and only one reason, I was not studying my quants properly because I had no guidance for it. I had entirely studied the CET का portion by myself and all because I felt like इसमें क्या ही है, easy exam है, इसमें ज़्यादा ज़रूरत नहीं है. But over the years I realized that I was lacking something and that was the proper guidance towards कैसे exam को crack करना है. And over my 4.5 years and almost 5 years of teaching, I have realized that okay, I have had a lot of students who have cracked it in the first time, second time, इसमें भी मेरा immediately हो गया है. So the point here is that students need the right guidance. Otherwise, you should be ready to sacrifice years. And I know most of you don't have that. I had that privilege because of which I could sacrifice a few years, but I really think that if I had done it sooner तो मेरे लिए ज़्यादा अच्छा होता. What is it that we make a difference with? CET में क्या क्या ज़रूरत पड़ता है? One and the biggest thing is that the right CET focused material. Guys, the biggest mistake that people make is CAT का portion CET में लगाते हैं, नहीं चलता. The second biggest mistake is वो लोग YouTube पे free content ढूंढते हैं जो actually बैंक exams का होता है और वो CET को apply नहीं होता. It is different. You will not see CET के सारे toppers in the past देख लो. शायद ही JB जाने वाला 1 या 2 persons was actually preparing for bank और उसका JBIMS में लग गया. Guys, नहीं हो सकता. The point is अलग exams का अलग approach होता है and portion अलग होता है. So that is why you need to be prepared for this exactly and prepare specifically for the exam that you are preparing for. This is what I realized was a huge gap because मैं भी यही mistake कर रहा था. The second thing, people don't study in a group, they study by themselves. So इसका मतलब क्या? They are basically not looking at the competition. वो लोग सिर्फ क्या करते हैं? Mocks के टाइम competition देखते हैं. Guys, सिर्फ तुम्हारे scores compare करने के लिए फायदा नहीं है. What you guys need to do is actually make sure that you are studying with a group who is able and able to solve the same questions as you and capable enough that they will grow along with you and help you grow. That is what happens at Crackvitis ka groups. You will see all my interviews like with a lot of students who have gone to JBIMS in Sydney. You will see that सारे लोग वही बोलते हैं that अरे 120 प्लस वाला जो ग्रुप था वो बहुत ज्यादा हेल्पफुल था because वो ग्रुप में घुस के मुझे पता चला that how is the competition solving. This is where Crackvitis helps you with an exactly amazing full environment and a community जहाँ पे तुम्हारे सारे डाउट्स क्लियर होते हैं. ऊपर से हमारे डाउट सॉल्विंग सेशंस जो लाइव होते हैं एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट ग्रुप में भी जहाँ पे डाउट सॉल्विंग चलता रहता है. यू विल कीप गेटिंग अमेजिंग क्वेश्चंस, यू विल कीप गेटिंग द राइट mock tests which are made specifically for the CET exam. And the third and the last and but not the least thing, the most important thing is our ABC analysis. This is absolutely different kind of analysis mock test का जो सिर्फ हम देते हैं. So basically we devised that कैसे ABC strategy बनाना है. Unlike every other institute out there, mock का analysis same सबके लिए नहीं होता. It is different for you and for me. तुम्हारी strengths, तुम्हारी weaknesses, तुम्हारे opportunities, तुम्हारे threats, ये सारे consider कर करके we basically have made an ABC analysis जिसमें तुम्हें पता चलेगा that mock में तुम्हारा approach कैसा होना चाहिए. And obviously the books that we have made are working amazingly well because पूरा portion जो CET का है वो इसमें clear हुआ है. So guys, if there is anything that you need to start is CET prep right now. If you're not confident about scoring very well, don't waste your time because what will happen, तुम लोग शायद जनवरी में चालू करोगे preparation, but तब तक already बहुत time हो जाएगा because trust me, there are a lot of students who are already doing extremely well and on top of that there are people who are repeaters. So guys, learn from the mistakes that others have made, make sure that you're learning from the strengths of others, and make sure that you're following the right and the perfect material for MBA CET preparation. All of this is covered in our Crackavit Test का course. You guys can get all the details. Obviously तुम हमारी website पे जा सकते हो, नहीं तो फिर you can also always call my team. Apart from that, कौन से resources can I help you out with free for? Guys, you will understand that over the time Crackavit Test ने बहुत ज़्यादा lectures YouTube पे डाले हैं जो तुम देख सकते हो. CET के बहुत ज़्यादा topics covered है, and we are planning to post even more videos, specific timetables for your preparation, making sure that तुम सही time पे सही पढ़ाई करते हो, and we are ready to give you even a few bit of practice questions. Also on top of that, तुम सिर्फ अगर Crackavit Test का free application download भी कर लो, तुम्हें speed maths की test और vocabulary की test रोज मिल जाएगी. Now these are the two most important things for your preparation. Over time ये build होके तुम्हें बहुत ज़्यादा फायदा देंगे. So if there is anything more that you require from Crackavit Test, then you can contact us for it immediately. तो अगर तुम्हें एक timetable, books, mocks, lectures, community, ट्रिक्स, मेथड्स, मॉक टेस्ट का प्रॉपर एनालिसिस एंड सारे स्ट्रैटेजी सेशंस और एनालिसिस सेशंस चाहिए, देन ट्रस्ट मी, Crackavit Test is the best place to be at. I'll see you. If you guys have any doubts, then post it down in the comments. Bye everyone.